Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. How do you do?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
Yeah, I'm Ujjwal.
Nice to meet you. My name's Tasha.
Oh, nice to meet you, Natasha.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. I'm from the northern part of India.
Right, okay. I'm from England.
Okay, that's great. Where,
So sorry?
where in England?
Birmingham.
Okay, I have never
Have
heard about.
you have you heard? No, you've heard of London.
Yeah, I heard about London. So, well, London
Yeah.
is, yeah, it's awesome city.
Have you been to London?
No, I've never been.
Ah, right, okay. Yeah, so London obviously is the capital and the main city everybody knows. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah. So how come you're wanting to improve your English?
yeah, actually, my father have his own business, so I would like to work with my father. So we export a lot of his stuff, a lot of decorative products. So in this, like I'll follow my father's business. So that's why I joined Cambly for improving my English. So this is the reason because after this is I'm doing my graduation. So after my graduation, like I'll do my business with
Yeah.
my father. Yeah. So that is why I'll have to interact with the foreigners. So
Ah, right. So you have to, there's a lot of foreign people you need to talk to within the business.
yeah, that is why.
Ah, okay. So how long have you been on Cambly for?
Yeah, I've been using Cambly for like over 2 months, over 1 month maybe.
Ah,
But
right. Okay. So short time.
yeah, it's a short time. I've just completed 10 hours.
Ah, okay. So yes, short time. So in your lessons, what do you normally do? Is it normally free talk? Do you do or an actual lesson?
Yeah, I just want normal conversation. I haven't moved to any grammar portion or nothing. I just want normal conversation.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Just to practice your English skills.
Mm. Yeah, I just practice.
Okay, that's fine. So, you're a student at the moment?
Yeah, I'm a student. I'm doing my graduation.
Okay, when do you finish this year?
It will take 2 year more. Like it's my first year. So
Ah, right, okay. So you've got 2 more years.
yeah,
So, what are you studying?
I'm doing BBA. It's a bachelor degree, Bachelor of Business Administration.
Ah, right, okay. Are you enjoying
Uh,
it?
yeah, I'm enjoying. Like after my 12th, so it's my first year in graduation. So yeah, like I'm making new friends and I'm making some new friends and I have opportunity to interact some new people, so like teachers, students. Yeah. So
Yeah. Yeah,
yeah,
good. Do you
yes.
have to speak English within your studying or you don't need to?
No, actually, English not so much popular in my city. Like in colleges, the students and the teachers don't speak too much English. Yeah, sometimes they do, but not a long time period.
Ah, right, okay. So where have you learnt your English from?
Yeah, like I've been learning English from the YouTube. I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, English videos on YouTube. So yeah, that I thought that that time I thought that now I should join Cambly. So I am here. Like
Ah,
beside this, I can listen the English American English audio and I watch the American movies on YouTube. So yeah.
okay. So do you prefer the American accent?
Yeah, I prefer and I love to speak. I love American accent basically.
Yeah.
So that is why.
Uh, do you understand the British accent or
Uh, I
is it more
can
difficult?
yeah I can understand British accent, but it is difficult to understand some American accent. Like there are a lot of accent in America, the South African accent and some other accents. So yeah, basically I can understand. like 5 to 10 accent.
Yes. Obviously, American and British, we have different words as well.
Sorry, I'm getting a second call. So could you wait for a
Okay.
minute?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. Sorry for disturbing.
No problem. You're on your mobile phone, are you?
Sorry?
You're on your mobile, I'm guessing.
No, I couldn't understand you. It went over my head. What are you saying?
Okay. You're on your mobile phone. You're on your mobile phone?
Wi-Fi.
Mobile. One
Mobile,
second.
yeah, mobile.
Mobile. You're on your mobile phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you obviously there's some accents you understand, and some accents that you don't understand.
Yeah, some accents I don't understand. It's a
Yeah.
yeah, they speak too fast English. So, they mixed up all the words and together mixed all the words. So, in this, it is difficult to understand.
Yes, sometimes when obviously native speakers are talking, so if I talk with my family, I would talk a bit quicker.
Yeah,
Same as yourself, when you're with your speaking your native language, you speak quite quick to our ear.
yeah, I
Uh,
can see that. Like I feel that if you wanted to speak with your family, so you speak too fast.
yes, but that's in every country, that's every language, I think.
Yeah,
Because it's not your native one, it's more difficult.
yeah. Okay, so
Yeah.
like, what is the time right now in your city?
In England, it's 9:40 in the morning.
9:40 at morning.
Yes.
Okay.
What time is it where you are?
Yeah, it is 3:10 at noon.
Okay. So it's like six hours.
Yeah, 6 hours difference.
Yeah, five
Usually,
and a half.
yeah, usually I take my classes at evening at like after 6 o'clock. But
Okay.
yeah, whenever I'll finish my day, so I'll be a bit tired. So yeah, it is difficult to take classes. So like I thought that now I should take classes in
In the
noon.
day. Yes, that's a better way of thinking. On
Yeah.
an evening, you're more tired, so you don't want to speak.
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you at university today?
Yeah, I'm in university.
Okay. Do you have a long day of lessons, tutors?
Actually, about my university, it's a long period or short. No, like I go to my college at 9 at morning
Yeah.
and come back from that at 4 o'clock.
Is that every day for 5 days a week?
5 days, yeah, it's a 5 days per
Five
week. Yeah.
days a week. Yeah. So 9 till 4, Monday to Friday, is it?
Uh,
Monday to Friday?
Friday.
So do you go to university Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday?
Yeah, I go to like 5 days per week.
Yes, yes. So
Monday
is your
to
week is your
Friday.
weekend Saturday and Sunday?
Yeah, Saturday or Sunday. Weekend is Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah, it's the same in England, but in some other countries, the weekend is a Friday and Saturday. So I always check.
Oh, what about Sunday?
No, no, in England, our weekend is Saturday and Sunday. But
But
in
the- yeah.
different countries, their weekend is a Friday and a Saturday.
Okay, so it means like they start their week from Sunday.
Yes, yes. So that confuses me because I'm used to Saturday and Sunday as a weekend, but it's different in different countries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, sorry.
Yeah, so like I have got some questions, so we
Yeah,
can discuss over there. Okay.
yeah.
So
What
like,
questions?
yeah, so like have you ever received any best advice from someone?
Have I received any best advice?
Yeah.
What's the best advice I've received?
Yeah, I'm asking to you, like, have you ever like received any best advice from someone or not?
Not particularly. Obviously, you get advice from your parents and
Mm.
your elders. So, but the normal. So, like, you need to work hard and to be successful.
Yeah.
You need to study well. You need to put in a lot of work to be successful, but also work hard and play hard. So don't work too much. Enjoy your social time as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, this is the thing.
What have you had any best advice? What's your
Like, I think I haven't received any best advice yet, but I've received a lot of advices. Yeah, it could be not best, but I've received a lot of advices.
yeah,
Yeah,
what advice?
like you told me, and do work hard so you will be successful, and keep focusing on your health. So this type of advice I received.
Yes. Yeah, so normal, sort of normal advice really. Most
Mm.
people get the same advice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe
Yeah.
I'll receive my best advice further.
Maybe it might, and all that advice is good advice. You might in the future think that is your best advice that you received.
Mm, yeah, yeah, I'll receive. Maybe I don't know which advice I'll receive in future.
Yes, yeah, it's
Maybe
obviously
anything.
you would not know, no. But as long as you work hard, that's if you want to be successful in your career, then you need to work hard and study hard.
Yeah, yeah, we have to do this.
Yes,
Okay,
it's
so second question is what the question? Mm, Yeah, so what's your bad habit that what's your bad habit that you wanna be to overcome from that?
I don't have one actually.
Oh, you don't have.
No, I don't have a bad habit as far as I know. No one's told me I have a bad habit.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. Do you have a bad habit?
Yeah, like I have a bit bad habit, like after a while time, I do open my social media accounts and start to scrolling them. So it's my bad habit, and I want to overcome from that.
Yeah, a lot of people use social media a lot. A lot of people scroll and waste their time on it actually.
Yeah,
I think everybody does the same because it's normal to check your social media.
yeah, it's normal. Whenever I have free time. So yeah, I do open my social media account and start scrolling them.
Yeah, it is a waste of time because you can scroll for a long time, so you're
Yeah,
wasting your time sometimes. Obviously,
yeah,
it's still good to check
yeah.
because it's what a lot of people use these days.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can get a lot of information off social media.
Sorry.
You can learn a lot off social media
Yeah,
because you
we
get
can.
you get a lot of information.
Yeah, we can learn a lot of information from social media, but in the free time, like every time we are scrolling the social media, so it's bad.
Yeah, so obviously in your free time now, you're using your time good because you're on Cambly rather
Yeah,
than scrolling your social media.
yeah.
Yeah, do you have another question? We have 1 minute left.
I haven't any questions. I had just two questions.
Okay, no problem. So you have more lessons this afternoon, or have you finished at university now?
Yeah, I have finished right now. So
Okay, nice. You will go home or you're at home now?
I'm in my home right now. So
Okay, okay. So
yeah.
you what will you do this afternoon?
Like afternoon, I'll go to my gym
Okay.
at evening. So after the gym, like I have a friend, so I'll call him for my English practice. We both together, speak English. So
Okay, that's good. So you have a busy afternoon.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Not too much busy. Yeah, it's a bit busy.
Yeah, our time has finished. It was nice to meet
Yeah.
you.
Nice
Good
meeting you.
English as well. Well done.
Thank you. Bye.